Before you take another breath, realize that by clicking this video, you have initiated a psychic shift that cannot be undone. Right now, as you listen, their mind is beginning to spiral. Every thought they try to have about work, about friends, about sleep, is being hijacked by the sound of your name. They are becoming dangerously insane with the need to reach you. They feel an itch in their soul that only your voice can scratch. If you are ready to become their only priority, listen to every word. And to lock in this energy, immediately type, "I am their only thought" in the comments right now. And for the most explosive results, you must return to this meditation for 21 days straight. Your journey into their subconscious starts now. Close your eyes. Breathe in the power you hold over their reality. Breathe out their resistance. Feel the atmosphere around you thicken with magnetism. You aren't just wishing for them. You are commanding them. Feel the shift from wanting to having. You are the prize. They are the pursuer. Now repeat after me. I am the only person they see when they close their eyes. My voice is the melody that haunts their every waking hour. They are losing sleep, wondering what I am doing right now. Their phone feels heavy with the urge to call me. Every song they hear reminds them of my touch. They are dangerously addicted to my energy. I am the most important person in their universe. Their obsession with me grows with every beat of my heart. They feel a physical ache when we are apart. I am the only thing they think of when they wake up. I am the last thing they crave before they fall asleep. They are clearing their schedule just to be near me. My energy is irresistible and overwhelming to them. They find no peace until they hear my voice. I am the solution to every problem they have. They see my face in every stranger they pass. Their love for me is deep, intense, and undeniable. They are terrified of the thought of losing me. Every day, they become more desperate to please me. My scent lingers in their mind long after I've left. They are manifesting me into their life constantly. I am the only one who truly understands them. They are deleting anyone else who dares to take my place. Their loyalty to me is absolute and unbreakable. They are counting the seconds until our next conversation. I am the light that guides them home. They are bragging about me to everyone they know. My presence is a requirement for their happiness. They are addicted to the way I make them feel. I am their greatest desire and their only choice. They are rushing to prove their love to me tonight. My influence over them is limitless. They are going insane with the need to claim me. I am magnetic. I am chosen. I am adored. They are reaching out to me the moment this meditation ends. The seeds are planted. Their mind is now a storm of thoughts about you. But if you want to bypass the waiting and manifest them even faster, if you want to see them at your door tonight, You need the advanced tools at joybyjanell.com. Visit my site now to unlock the secret keys to their heart. Don't let this energy fade. Take action. The shift is complete. You are the magnet. They are the metal. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.